Beautiful good morning. No panic. I know you think, no, she's speaking about Christmas. I can't hear more. I know this month will be crowded with Christmas decoration, but today it's not about Christmas, just a little bit. You see here a snow globe, and we speak about the coffee maker, which is made about glass. Look at this, sweetie, huh? Beautiful. See here, it's really an easy function. You have the filter, which you have to screw up here. See here, it's no hole. I didn't see a hole. Maybe I need new glasses. But some of the coffee maker which I show you has had a hole so that the water would be pushed directly in the filter. But I think this is another system. But you see, you have to fill the filter here. You have big holes inside, really little holes. It's like a second filter inside, and on top you have a line filter, which is the, well, you want to take away the finest dust of coffee ground, but 100% it will be not really possible, but the most of them. And here you have the top, which the filter was put inside. And you see, when you fill it up with water, water gets energy and will be pushed inside the tube and would be filled up here. And so you have there the contact time with the filter. So the extraction began. And you have the possibility to see this. It's beautiful. If you have glass, you see how the color of your beverage will change, and about the strength which you would like to have. And so that's the function about this, sweetie. And it has some similarity with this, because here inside you have snow, and if you look really near in your beverage, I think you will see some dust particles. So it resembles a little bit of snow globe. So you see, it's a little bit, just a little bit of Christmas inside this coffee maker. I will put some picture for this, those who would like to see some near parts of this coffee maker. Wish you a beautiful time and enjoy this Christmas time. And I will promise after January I would not post more things about Christmas. Okay, bye bye, have a nice time.